Understanding B1 Preliminary PET Scoring. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the B1 Preliminary PET Scoring and Assessment criteria. This information is vital if you're preparing for the exam or even if you're just curious about how the system works. So, let's get started. The B1 Preliminary, often referred to as the PET, is a part of the Cambridge English qualifications. It's designed to show that you've mastered the basics of English and now have practical language skills for everyday use. The PET examination is scored in a band system, with scores ranging from 140 to 170. Here's what those scores represent. 140 to 144, level A2. 145 to 159, level B1. 160 to 170, level B2. Reaching the B1 level means you've passed the exam. However, scoring above 160 means not only have you passed, but you've also demonstrated abilities beyond the B1 level. So, how are you assessed? In the PET exam, there are three main criteria. 1. Reading and writing. This assesses your ability to understand main ideas, details, opinions, and how well you can communicate in writing. 2. Listening. This evaluates how well you understand information about everyday topics when listening to various types of input, like conversations or news. 3. Speaking. Here, examiners assess your ability to communicate effectively in face-to-face situations. It's essential to remember that the examiners are not just looking for perfection. Instead, they're evaluating your practical ability to communicate and understand English in real-world situations. Practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with the exam format by taking mock tests. Stay updated. Exam formats and criteria can evolve, so ensure you're using the latest preparation materials. Relax on the day. Your nerves can impact your performance. Remember, the exam is assessing your practical skills, so be yourself and do your best. And there we have it. An overview of the B1 Preliminary PET Scoring and Assessment criteria. Preparing for an exam can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and practice, you're setting yourself up for success. Best of luck, and keep up your language learning journey.